going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher and the new Road Order book. The new Road Order book is going to show you how the world works. It is definitely time to wake up out of your sleep in the times that we're in right now. Plus, guys, we know we're waiting on that next main event towards the end of the year. Like I told you, that would happen. Don't forget this is Shemitah year. And then also, I want to thank those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's definitely time to re-educate. And also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. Do not forget I have the New World Order cryptos in my Patreon. Do your own research, but going inside of a bear market, you definitely want the cryptos that have real use cases. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.
And we have Bitcoin, cryptos, and stocks pulling back. And we know Jerome is in the house. And I'll go over that later. But we have MicroStrategy still hodling, received a $727,000 impairment charge. But guys, we should say Morgan Stanley. But guys, make sure you're paying attention to the actual indicators. We have yield rates, which are dropping slightly. We have volume, we have Tether, we have USDC. And we constantly seeing Singapore building out the digital economy. We have Circle and Paxos get approval in Singapore. And Circle receives license to offer payment products. And guys, remember, the NWO is building this digital fiat on top of the current system. Remember, stablecoins, CBDCs, are illegal in the U.S. and in Europe. So they're keeping the same system, just building a platform over top of it. That's why in Europe they just call them digital value settlement instruments. Now, guys, we have Jerome in the house. Most likely we're going to be moving up 75 basis points. And then again, guys, we're going to be raising up in December. And don't forget, November and December, the people are distracted because of the holiday. January, February, March, the people are distracted because of income taxes. And that's the reason why the NWO gets away with everything they get away with, because they keep the masses distracted. But we know over these next 5 months, there's going to be some pain put on the economy. And then from there, it's just going to build up. The summer of 2023, you're going to wonder what happened. Because that's when we're going to start seeing the robots, algorithms, and drones start to be deployed. And remember, the NWO works in phases. So guys, this build out is going to take about 3 years. And the new digital economy is not for us. It's for the millennials and Generation Z. That's the reason why when it comes to the NWO plan, there's never a rush. The NWO plan is always for the generation that's rising because that's the only thing they're going to know. Remember, the brain is nothing but software, and that's how they're able to program the kids through television, through gaming, unless that parent intervenes and correct them and say, no, that is wrong. Make them conscious of what they're doing. You can play this game, but this is what's going on. You can watch this show, but I need for you to understand what's going on. So then therefore they don't fall for the devil's tricks. But guys, when it comes to the stocks and cryptos, remember the ones that are built for the fourth industrial revolution, they're going to be fine. That's why it's called investing. But a lot of that growth is going to come from the emerging markets, not the United States. And all these stocks and cryptos, guys, are going to take a hit. But we always know the NWO stocks and cryptos are going to rise. During this transition from the third industrial revolution to the fourth, guys, we're going to still have pumps and dumps in stocks and cryptos. We know nothing goes straight up and nothing goes straight down. But if you notice the stock market now, a lot of these stocks go down at the same time, go up at the same time, the same as cryptos, because all of it's controlled by algorithm. All of it is manipulated and rigged. And remember, the crypto teacher told you. And you know, I give you the truth, nothing but the truth. Yes, the truth hurts, but it sets you free. But getting over to Grayscale moved up slightly. We know they've been quiet since the actual bear market, and we're just waiting for that spot Bitcoin ETF. But getting over into a little crypto news, we have Bitgo joins Dogecoin frenzy as crypto custody firm rolls out a wrapped version of Doge. Also, we have Metamask rolls out NFT portfolio value tracker with new partnership with NFT Bank. And basically with NFT Bank, you're tracking the volume. And NFT Bank uses machine learning algorithms which updates the user with price estimates for individual NFTs within a collection. So guys, again, we see the robots, algorithms, and drones are going to be taking over. Now we have Union Bank of the Philippines teams up with Medico to launch Bitcoin Ethereum custody and trading. And lastly, guys, we have MoneyGram gets in on the trading. And guys, what do we know about MoneyGram, Western Union, all these banks? They get paid off the fees. And that's the reason why they're coming in during this bear market. Now, through the MoneyGram mobile app, users in the U.S. can buy, sell, and hodl Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. And guys, we know Bitcoin trading integrated inside the app just doesn't happen overnight. What does a crypto teacher teach you? When it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids' books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, and not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The stock channel, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, spread everywhere. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, get home stocks. So see where the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the fourth industrial revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.